Sangis, Australian girlfriend there. Teta magama amakhulu. O probation. Thanda prayon. Ngani Cleo. Thanda prayon.
Tell a prayo.
Eh, uya kuthatha isixhosa sidala man xa uhlene girlfriend yakho. Cause unite le yayibona. Man umkhumshele yambona masibakana sikolo lo mnu khaya mrayi. Uthi ndikuthanda ngeaccess. Yamthatha ke.
Danke khona ukhona isikhona ekhaya ngizoke kuthiwa uyahola phela namhlanje kumele sivane yabo lesigqokile hayi khona lapho usuqala ingqondo zakho
ayikho nje into
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you are watching this video from, it is Salute Lapo. Welcome back to your favorite channel. Now this channel bafethu is 100% local content. So if that is your thing, make sure that you do subscribe. Let's go.
Stock sheet. Roll on. Swap. Stock sheet. Roll on. Swap. Roll on. Stock sheet. Roll on. Stock sheet.
This is the end.
Into sobawo sephethe apha engqoshwa itown yam le. Apha uyakwazi uqeshwa liSomalia ubakwazi uba iitapile ziyafumaneka nge-60 rand nekhombo nge-300 iyafumaneka low price. Ngengomso bayakugxotha ube ivoice yakho ishekisa khwaza ngokungasaphangela. Ivoice yakho ifumana ikhwaza kwa ingqola ngokungaphangela. Bathathe la voice yakho. Sikhohlakele.
La kulalo la yahleshulwa nje. Uzombona mevuka la into ezoyenza.
Usekile fondini. Fresh. Weekend.
kwalungu
Uzonyipha kumuntu.
ngomso
In bese yakho.
yo kaloku nje ingoJulayi
Ubhuti wakho uphelele sithi. Idate.
idate uNovember.
Hayi ke so. Mara bengiyapi mongwe. Bengiyapi uNkulunkulu wami omulimi Rawlika.
Brother Pote is so.
Rawlika bengiyapi la kule hiking. Yo. Tirot.
Ngari picha boy.
Bengiyapi.
Madoda kanjonga makwala koy. Hayi. Njonga. Madoda isimanga. Thathela lento bese upheli. Imali umntomzeni. Imalini. Selete right nje.
Silewe yani
Hayi mali umrala. Uqondile ke kodwa lo. Awuqondile. Uvanisha emakhaleni. Mali umntomzeni. Mali umntomzeni.
Thelela kaningi thelela ngizotanga itswayi mama khatheba oh man madoda angumuntu akafuni itswayi ngathi uthengile delakho kanti uthengile na yazi sikhiphe imali
I think ikiwi nento yenzayo man xa ufuna energy wanye ulambile. Ndikhumbula the time of izamazama. Do you remember the time of izamazama? Zazibhala note. Zathi ziphuma pha zazisethi bezisitya amanzi netyiwa. So I think that's why yena umsindo kangaka laphuthi.
Kaninje mngale real magini real magriza ngona lokho nje kwenabani
Hayi boy anfunova. Hayi umdaka le anfunova ngeke. Ngeke. Hayi.
Yovexa u9 no10 sweetheart. Asambe sekhaya bebe. Uthi mangakungabuza nje ngikuthi ngwa uzojiva.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Ngumfene Manchester ngaba happy njani?
Ya petrol. Yani ya petrol. Kichal petrol.
Yes.
Thank you boy. Ko chala petrol. Hey, she. Ya go reka kwa molo.
Yeah.
Thank you ne. Yeah.
Sisenkonzweni yokuhlabelela hlabelela nawe. Sisenkonzweni yokuhlabelela hlabelela nawe.
Yemakhelwane mabe ngicela undizame ngecomic ye-rice ifoni yami itshone emanzini.
Okay makhe.
Nesuphu bunayo makhe.
Ayanda, yimugogo wakho ngikhona kuwaza kufana. Waza eduzane kwami mntanami, yimuka gogo wakho. uJoyce. Baba.
Ah, gogo.
Awu macingwa nomkhulu esengonyameni. Awu cha ngithi angikwazisa indaba ezithi ukuthi namhlanje phela usuku lami olukhulu lokuzalwa macingwane.
Okay. Uyangidakelwa. Tshela abazali bakho beculela yimini ngixhumaphi. Shit. Ngizona stupid mina.
Uzinyama mfundisi.
Inyama yasethuwe.
Hayi wena yabo.
Happy.
Yakuphi?
Yasethuwe.
That's a true way.
We have to have a plan B for survival.
Yeah.
If at all we don't have plan B, then we're in shit. Do you know that? We're in shit if we don't have plan B.
Denzel wasekazi.
Then we have to think about plan B.
Wethu ntombazana kha utsho sisi. Yintoni lento uhleli nje ufuna ukuthengelwa something? Hayi kha utsho ntombazana. Hey! Ay uyayibiza man.
Kunjani ba? Ngiyaphila. Hayi bengithi ngihamba uyidenge konke nethi nje ukuthi ngintshele ukuthi ngiteste negative for HIV.
Okay ba.
Yeah.
No siyabonga ba.
Yeah, no ngiyabonga. Bonga mina ba.
Thank you.
Kusebenzekile.
Yeah, no it's more.
Ngisindi.
Danke baba. Ololo. Nangu umzekis man.
Thank you.
Is moving. The starter, if you crank the car, is say not making it swing. It's just tooling.
It's tooling.
Just shut up.
Just tooling.
Tooling.
It's tooling.
Yeah,
tooling.
And shut up.
Ewethu ngokundibheke esipadi bana abafana bathathu bathi idumela awusi ndabajonga nje bathi hayi rikupa ubutsa nanoba bathilo na but bafuna ubuza ngelabo ndamisa ufochomi bathi ikayi nisi security noba yinisi noba ninimza yonke lonto leyo ndamisa obhonzi bamjonga bajongisa ezantsi bathi awusi namisa uthu andilikhuphi nelinjani emlonyeni bam because uthetha ko once uthi dumela imkile phone and beniphethe ifoni ngoba ngisebenzisa imkile ifoni dathi ndaqinisekisa kwami ndabheka phambili bathi besithi dathi hey ngoba kaloku apho uyayikhomba indawo yesiganeko uthi ndakhutuzwa pha uyikhomba indawo yeziganeko oko ndasikenywa igqika loku bafuneka ndithi pop ndithi watch out.
Hoyi hom phakamisa arhento ntarha nongolozo omnyama sabela hosh phathe engcwalo ndiphuphumale qine mathambo nongoloza bathi ngibani kwelabantu hola hoyi faku thahla khamisa hoyi nazi nucleus awufuni yeka
nazi nucleus
babele nkomo hey sidudu setywala hoyi patha vecepe hola nonrokwe gcwala
nazi
ndondi ekhaya kini ngiyaphuma ngiyohlala esitting room asidlali.
So ngicela ukubuza umfazi omnyama no-black mambazo is the same thing because like black mfazi black mnyama.
Yazi wona ngani usangane phela
Lama ngiyena kodwa ngithi
uyayicabangela nje impilo yakho ukuhamba ngekhwini umoya unje. Be careful.
Hayibo.
Sikhuluma ngekhwidi la.
Abafuna umuntu okubulela amadoda
Ndiyamva lo wemithi yamadoda ukhona lo uthengisa umkhwanazi ababini uvile
You have 30. Yeah, that's not too much. That's not too much. No. That's a lot. No. I'm from how many rounds I did in my life. So you say when you compare the children to the rounds, they don't match.
How many rounds?
Yeah.
I did over 200,000 rounds. Survived 30. 30 doesn't even fill up the glass.
They're wasting the money for the states. Now they want
they
want me to be aggressive. Been going drop.
Bakuvota sizavota sivotela
ubani
uMaphosa ngokuba wayishiye isihlalo nguMandela.
Wayishiye isihlalo nguMandela.
Ya.
Lo ninika ezimali.
Themba abantwana bethu abazalayo singasonga bambazale sibanike bafumana imali yokondla abantwana.
Ewe.
Umsebenzi kaMandela. Umsebenzi kaMandela wonke.
Umsebenzi kaMandela yonke.
NoMaphosa wathatha isihlalo
sikaMandela. Abakuthele eweni bamane befika bezonibhidisa apha nizawuba mamela.
Hayi singeni. Sange siba maphele kudala besivotisa besingayihoneni kuyo.
Bafuna unitshintsha.
Apho uMandela lo. Sithi kubo sivotela lanto kaMandela kwaze kwafaka uMaphosa. Baba basange emoto bafuna basivotele bona asi.
Yo bafethu that's not even funny ke. That's why Eastern Cape will never grow.
Ukudla mina ngisuka la sengiphuza utshwala ngihambe ngekhaya uma engekho uMike ngafica ukudla kwamendlini bana ngithatha ukudla lapha mangithatha ukudla lapha ngifaka lapha microphone mangifaka microphone ebese fudunyezwa mafudunyezwa lapha hey man kuzokuthi uthi bana khona ukuthi kelele man ebese ngivula la kuyashisa bana bese kuphuma uphuma kathi
kuphi njalo
uphuma ngapho ku-microphone
was serious with the boy
that Mrs. Petunia Rofina Mkhwanazi was born in 1965.
Yes, you are correct.
So you're making your mother 10 years older than you?
Yes, I will explain that.
And you being her second born, so that would suggest her firstborn was born around when she was around the age of 8. You confirm that?
He was born in 1974. Yes, I confirm that.
And you confirm that is true?
Yes, I confirm that.
That you were born of this lady, the late Mrs. Petunia?
Yes.
How do you explain the fact that your mother is 10 years older than you, according to you?
When you say you were born, it's something else. She's my stepmother. She raised me since I was 8 years. No, so since I was 8 years or 7 years old. She's married to my father. I was staying with my father in Granny when I was young, doing grade 1 or it's something like the grade 1 or grade 2. She became the wife of my father. Then she raised me up until her death.
uJulius Mkhwanazi ubuyile bafethu kuzaba mnandi. I was not watching la Madlangisa commission until kwafika yona imboza. Ayenza yaba interesting. I think after this video I'm going to watch that. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. For more similar content, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.